Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at an absolute monster of a gaming PC, the iBUYPOWER Element 9 Pro Black. Right pointing finger emoji. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link below for the latest pricing, full specs, and current availability. Fire emoji, specs that mean business. This machine is an all-out performance powerhouse. Here's what's inside. CPU, AMD Ryzen 7 9800 by 3D, one of the best gaming CPUs on the market right now with 3D cache for elite frame rates in CPU-bound titles. GPU, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 8GB, built on the latest architecture. This card handles 1440p gaming with ease and supports ray tracing, DLSS 3, and all the latest AI-powered features. RAM, 32GB DDR5 RGB, blazing fast multitasking memory, perfect for gaming while streaming or editing content. Storage, 2TB NVMe SSD, massive space and lightning-fast speeds for all your games, files, and creative projects. Cooling, high-performance airflow chassis with RGB fans, keeps temps low in your setup looking, fire emoji. Extras, Windows 11 pre-installed, Wi-Fi, and a stunning tempered glass side panel. Video game emoji, gaming and performance, crushing it across the board. This setup doesn't just look good, it performs like a beast. Here's what you can expect in terms of gaming. Starfield, Cyberpunk 2077, Red Dead Redemption 2, High/Ultra at 1440p, with DLSS 3 delivering smooth 80 to 100 plus FPS. Call of Duty, Warzone, Apex, Fortnite, easily 144 plus FPS for competitive play on ultra settings. Multitasking, no sweat running OBS, Discord, Chrome tabs, and your game all at once. And thanks to the Ryzen 7 9800 by 3D, this thing is one of the top CPUs for gaming, especially in titles that are CPU intensive like Total War, Flight Simulator, or competitive shooters. Toolbox emoji, built-in design, iBUYPOWER delivers. The case looks sleek with a modern black finish, tempered glass side panel, and tasteful RGB lighting. Internals are well organized, thermals are under control, and airflow is strong even under full load. This isn't just a flashy box, it's a smartly built, professionally assembled machine that's also upgrade friendly if you ever want to swap in more storage or an even more powerful GPU down the line. White check mark emoji, pros. Top tier gaming CPU, 9800 by 3D equals insane gaming performance. RTX 5060 is great for 1080p/1440p gaming and future-proof features. Massive 32GB DDR5 RAM, great for heavy multitasking and content creation. 2TB NVMe SSD equals tons of fast storage. Clean, well-cooled, and stylish case with RGB customization. Plug and play ready with Windows 11 pre-installed. Cross mark emoji, cons. 5060 is powerful, but may be a bottleneck for Ultra 4K gaming, depends on the title. Price may be on the higher side due to high-end components, but you're definitely getting what you pay for. Checkered flag emoji, final verdict, is it worth it? If you want a no-compromise gaming PC that's ready for high-end gaming, streaming, and heavy productivity out of the box, the iBUYPOWER Element 9 Pro Black absolutely delivers. With the Ryzen 7 9800 by 3D and RTX 5060 Ti, it's future-proof, lightning-fast, and built to dominate anything you throw at it. Bullseye emoji, ideal for competitive and AAA gaming. Streamers and content creators. Power users who want high performance without the DIY hassle. Right pointing finger emoji. Check the link below to see if it's in stock and get the best price today. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more epic tech reviews.